Hello, what's up? My name is Carissa. Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
Terrible intro song, but it's fine. Hi, what's up? I hope you had a good holiday. Look at my hair. Can we talk about it? I didn't feel like doing it, so I put it in a jaw clip, and it's totally fine because it always falls out when I do this because I have a lot of hair. So comment down below if you also have too much hair for jaw clips. There we go.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
Hi, in this video, I'm Carissa, by the way, and I'm a full-time model, influencer, and I do YouTube. So if you like lifestyle, fashion, all that good stuff, then give me a follow and stay tuned in this video because we're gonna talk about all of the stuff I received and bought for Christmas. It's a huge fall winter haul, tons of accessories, tons of cool styling options. And yeah, stay tuned, let's get into it.
Oh, I mean, you know what I mean. Listen. That girl's so crazy, but she gon' have my baby, and she'll probably raise him the way my mama.
Okay, I decided, well, my boyfriend decided that I should put this video in two parts because I have so much stuff to show you that it's gonna be too overwhelming for one video. So I'm gonna listen because he's probably right as usual. In this video, this first part, I'm just going to show you all of the accessories I got because it's tons of shoes and earrings and a belt and a bag, and we'll talk about where I got them, what I plan on styling them with. I will try to style some, I can't
Take this hair anymore.
I will try to style some cute outfits for you and put them in the side box. I'm gonna try to use only items that I got in this video, so everything will be linked down below. Anything I can't link, if it's vintage or something, you know, hopefully it'll just give you some good inspo for when you're in a vintage store. The first item I'm going to show you is jewelry, and it is these small hoops right here. Let me take them out to show you. So these hoops right here are gold, yellow gold with diamonds. I think that they're half a carat altogether, like combined. They're perfect, they're gorgeous. Look how big the diamonds look. The way that they're placed in the actual hoop is incredible. They're from Macy's, and we got them for like a huge clearance sale, and they are literally, I mean, you can get these not real diamonds, you can get them fake gold as well, which that's what I've done. I have 3 holes here, and these are the perfect second hole hoop because they just, first of all, they're so comfortable, and second of all, they look cute with everything. So any kind of earring stack that you're gonna do, these look perfect. And they're like, in person, they're very sparkly, and I just feel like they're the perfect like casual accessory. I'll try to find these exact ones and put them down below, and if not, I will link very similar options. Second piece of jewelry I'm gonna show you is from Adina's Jewels. These are a much more affordable piece, and they are the most perfect little, sorry that my nails are disgusting.
Quarantine life, it is what it is.
These little studs are butterflies. How incredible are these? I am kind of obsessed. They're also a great second or third hole. When my third hole finally heals, I'm gonna put these in my third hole. I just think they're so perfect, dainty. You know, I love butterflies. I have butterflies tattooed on my side. So huge fan of the butterfly earrings, and they were super inexpensive. I believe that they're gold vermeil, which pretty much gold vermeil just means that it's silver on the inside and then it's coated with like a thicker layer of gold on the outside. So if you shower with them and everything, they might tarnish, so like maybe don't get them wet, but just as like an option for a good stud, these are so good, and it makes me want to buy more stuff from Adina's because when I wear them, they're super comfortable, the quality is great, and they're not like, you know, these are a good investment piece for a gift or something, but I don't always have that much money to buy something like that, so these are perfect. Ooh, let's go into shoes because who doesn't love shoes? These I got from H&M, and they're size 39. That's my shoe size, and I don't know how I found these. So I've been looking for Chelsea boots, the like higher shafted ones, for a long time, and I just haven't been able to commit because I really don't want to buy real leather. I don't want to spend all that money, and I have like tons of other boots that are similar to those. So I found these on sale for $17 at H&M. and they're perfect. I've already worn them a bunch of times and they're wearing well. Like, are you kidding? These are perfect. Well, Mark bought them for me for Christmas, but I found them and they are just so good. I've gotten so many compliments on them. I was really hesitant to do the higher shaft, but to be honest with you, I don't know why, because they're cute with skirts, they're cute with pants, they're cute with leggings. They are easy to put on because they don't have the tie up, and they look so sleek that it's just kind of a no-brainer. And since these are so cheap, it was just an easy selection for me. And they have like these elastic pull-on, so when I pull them on, it's super easy to get them on. And I adore these, and I'll be wearing them all fall. I'll try to put a few options here, like one with a pant and one with a skirt, to show you how easy these are to style. Again, anything I'm styling with in this video will be linked in my next video when you can see all the clothing and where I got the clothing from. So if you're into the outfits, then watch the second part because I will have everything linked in the next one and where I got it from. Next shoe, these are also from Mark. Mark bought me so much stuff for Christmas. I'm insanely spoiled, so it's totally fine.
Well, it's totally fine.
My next piece is from Superga, and they are these white lace-up boot shoes. Boot shoes. It sounds like I'm saying boat, but I'm saying it like Canadian boot shoe. I don't know, that's completely wrong what I just said. These are so good. These are so good. As you can see, this zip up I have on is like a cream, and these are true white. But they're like a sneaker boot. So I couldn't even invent a better shoe if I wanted to. I saw these on Endlessly Love Club. She posted in them, and then after I saw the way she styled them, I was like, okay, so I'm getting them. Say less, I don't know. I'm obsessed with everything she wears. And I'll style them again, maybe 2 different ways just to show you. But they're great for fall and winter. And I also thought for summer, these would be cute with like denim shorts. So they're kind of just like a really good all around versatile shoe. And I love them. And why not get white? You know, I feel like I have so many black shoes and I'm so boring all the time. And why not like invest in one cute little white shoe? These weren't that expensive. They were like, you know, on the higher end, but they're not anything that's not affordable. So I'll link them down below. I don't remember the exact price, but I'll link them down below and you can check it out for yourself. This next shoe is also from Mark. He got these for me for Christmas, and I've been really wanting platform Converses for a while, but they're really hard to get, especially in the States. I don't know why, maybe they're just super popular. So he had the idea that I should customize them on the website, and I did. So these are customized platform lace-up Converses. I did not know he was gonna get me both of these shoes. If you're in the market for a shoe, they're very similar. So you don't have to get both, but I mean, if you love them both, like me, then fucking do it. Screw it. Who gives a shit? Do live your best life. But if you just are looking for like a sneaker kind of a boot, these both do the job. These are definitely more of a sneaker than a boot. And you can customize them any way you want. Like every single thing you see on here was customized. This is my middle name. It says Fawn. And I loved this cream color they had on the website. It matches this cream zip up. The cream is incredible, amazing. I mean, I think in all cream, these would also be incredible, but I just thought the black was fun and different, and I've never seen them before. The platform is about, I would say 1.5 to 2 inches, and I'm tall, I'm like 5'9", but I still wear them all the time. They look amazing with everything. Again, skirts, shorts, and pants. That's the name of the game. If I can't wear a shoe with all of them, I like have a hard time buying them because I'm like, so I can only wear those if I'm wearing a dress? Like, no.
Oh God, please, no!
But no, these are amazing. And yeah, highly recommend. These also were not that expensive. I think they were 100, around 100, 120. I'll link the website down below where you can customize your own, but amazing, highly recommend. I love Converses. I've been wearing Converses for years and they're a great piece. Next shoe is pricey. I'm not gonna lie to you. I bought these myself and I've been waiting to get them. And you know what? I splurged, whatever. God, I don't have to feel guilty.
They're fucking pricey. It's a pandemic and I bought a fucking expensive shoe. Okay, yeah, now I'm regretting it. Now I need a little bit of help. Okay, so I have a shopping problem. Sure, whatever you would fucking say to me.
Nevertheless, I thought you guys would want to know where they're from because every time I post them on my Instagram, everyone's like, where are those shoes from? These are Jordan 1s, customized with Fendi monogram logos, and they're amazing. Cream laces. This is the Not Geeks customized lock they put on all their shoes. Like I said, the Fendi, what is this called? Fendi monogram. It's the monogram print, I believe. The Fendi monogram print on Jordan 1s. And I was gonna get Jordan 1s anyway, just because Jordans are like my favorite shoe. Jordan 1s and Air Forces are my favorite shoes, sneakers at least. And I was like, I want something different. I didn't want to get what everyone else had, but I still wanted them, and these are so good. They took a regular plain white Jordan and they customized it for me, and I couldn't be happier. I'll link them down below. They also do this in Gucci, and they will probably do anything you ask for, to be honest, but I just thought that this logo was so sick. Like, doesn't that look amazing? I mean, first of all, these colors are giving me like the creams, the golds, the brown, do you know what I mean? Like, it's like, where can you get a better color combination than this? You can't. You actually can't. I'm convinced that you can't actually, so there's that. So for reference, I am a women's size 8 or 8.5, but when I get sneakers, I get a boys grade school size 6.5 or 7, and they usually always fit perfectly. So these are boys 6.5 in youth, and they're perfect. So if you're looking for a size reference. Also, I'll wear these with skirts, pants, leggings, dresses, you name it. You can style these, make everything look effortless and cool, and they're different. So the customized ones are worth it. They were definitely pricey. They were like $340, which is, I know it's a lot. It's a lot for a shoe. I'll admit it, but they're cheaper than off-white sneakers, and they're cheaper than if you buy from Fendi directly. So, you know, if you can afford them, I highly recommend.
That you would.
Not that I can, because I really can't anymore. It's a pandemic, and a lot of this was gifts. So, and I'm also like a shopaholic. Oh my God, look at my hair falling.
Or you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never
My next piece that I got was thrifted. So don't yell at me. These were thrifted, but they were amazing. I think in the next few weeks, I'm going to do a thrifted video where I'm gonna show you all my favorite thrifted vintage finds that were super cheap. Some of them weren't cheap, but they're great finds, and I'll give you all my tips. So stay tuned on my channel for that. Like, subscribe down below, because I'm telling you, you're not gonna wanna miss that. I am gonna show you a few pieces in this video that are in that. So here we go, it's a good little preview. I found these at a place called The Good Stuff in Levittown, Pennsylvania. If you're from Pennsylvania, definitely check it out. This place is huge, and you have to have an open mind when you're thrifting, because nothing looks good when you're in the store. Everything looks kind of like dingy and smelly and dirty, but I promise if you go in there with like the right mindset and you like watch my thrifting video with my tips, you're going to nail it. So I always look for leather at thrift stores, and I found these leather vintage boots. Look at the toe box. Can we talk about the square toe box that looks like freaking so expensive? It looks like Bottega or something. Like, these are actually 9 West, and they are leather. They have a small heel. They're only 3 inches, and they are the most comfortable, worn in, incredible. The shaft is a little wider, which I'm really digging nowadays, and they remind me of something Hailey Bieber would wear. And they're just really cool and different, and I'm not gonna see anyone else with them. And as many boots as I have that are leather, these are my first ones I really feel like that are cool, and they're not like too new looking. I feel more like a model, and they're just really cool. I wore them on New Year's Eve and got a ton of compliments. So look for leather boots when you're at the vintage store. I think those cost me 30 bucks. 30 bucks for like incredible worn in leather boots. Find is also vintage, and I got it from the same thrift store, The Good Stuff in Levittown. And it is a leather belt with this perfect buckle. It's not a real gold buckle, it's definitely fake, but the belt itself is leather. And see, split leather made in the USA, size 32. It's perfect. It's like when you're looking for these belts at like Forever 21, they always look so shitty and cheap, and this was $2, by the way, so this is super cheap, and it's real. So like, if you're looking for a leather belt, go to a thrift store. Go to a thrift store that doesn't know what they have, because if you go to one of those New York bougie thrift stores, like, yes, they're a lot of fun, but they know what they have, so they're selling you belts like this for $100, when you can go and get a belt like this at a thrift store down the street for $2. It's leather, you guys, leather, and it looks perfect on all of my pants. It's a good classic belt. You're also not gonna feel bad. I'm gonna have to punch another hole in this belt because it's a little bit too big for my upper waist, but I'm not gonna feel bad about it because this belt was $2. So amazing find. Love a good classic leather belt. The last find in this haul is also vintage from a thrift store, same thrift store, The Good Stuff in Levittown. I'm so proud of this find. I'm really proud of this. It was $14. Wait, $14 still has the tag on it. It is a leather Haan shoulder bag with snakeskin detail. Can we just take a moment? I mean, this is the coolest, trendiest shape right now, and this is real leather for $14. It's not some cheap. I have a shoulder bag from ASOS and I like it, but it's cheap. It's like, you know, it barely fits on my shoulder. It has no bend. It has no like luxury smell. Like, this is a real leather bag for $14. I'm telling you, go to your local thrift store. There are a lot of moms and grandmoms in the area with amazing style that you need to go check out because they don't know what they have and they're not wearing it anymore. So go like, you know what, your moms have the best style, your grandmoms have the best style, raid their closets. That's like another tip I'm gonna put in my vintage video, so let me not get ahead of myself. But I'm telling you, do not discredit the older generation because they knew what they were doing, and half the stuff we're wearing right now is stuff they've already done. So that's all I'm saying. The inside of this bag has a few pockets. It's really big, and I have a feeling I'm gonna be able to fit my wallet and my cell phone and, you know, some makeup and stuff in here. So it's honestly perfect. I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to style it and wear it. I'll style it here for you in my outfit I'm in now, just so you can get a good look at it. And it's just amazing. Like, come on, this is so cool. This is so like 90s supermodel, and I can't wait to wear it to a casting and just be like,
I barely care about it. Vintage Haan, don't even at me. Don't at me.
that was part 1 of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a lot of shoes and accessories, but I wanted to separate it just to give you guys, you know, if you don't have that much time and you can only watch one video at a time, this is for you. The next video, I'm gonna also be using these accessories in all of my styling options. So stay tuned if you liked what I'm showing you, and watch the next video for all of the pieces that you saw in these styling options. It's like tons of coats, leather jackets, layering pieces, amazing, affordable fall stuff. So definitely stay tuned to that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Follow me on Instagram at Carissa_Fawn. I post a lot of fits on there too if you need inspiration. And thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. And let me know if you like these kind of videos because I will be doing them more often. Okay, bye.